Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video you are going to see how to add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. So to do that, head over to your Instagram application. Once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile. As we want to add to our highlights, so we have to head over to our archive. So go to the three lines icon on the upper right corner, then go to the archive section, archive option just in the how you use Instagram section. From here, just select any post that you have already made and archived it earlier. So suppose I want to add this on my highlights, so I don't need to repost it again. All I need to do is tap on the three dots icon on the lower right corner and go to tap on highlights. Name the highlight, tap on add, and if I go back, as you can see, my highlight is added. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video helped you out and we will see you in the next video.